Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day, part of my 12 days of Christmas, where I show you a Christmas inspired and holiday inspired eyeliner, graphic eyeliner, every single day for 12 days. And not only are they Christmas and holiday inspired, but they're also inspired by your zodiac sign. So as always, we're gonna guess down in the comments below which zodiac sign you think this liner is inspired by, and then at the end I'm gonna let you know which one it is and we're gonna see if you're right. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and let me show you how I got this really cute ornament eyeliner.
We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day. It's an early December morning, no one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas.
that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. This liner is inspired by Gemini. I wanted to kind of steer clear this time of things that are like opposite with Gemini. I feel like we always see kind of like the one eye one color, the other eye another color. I wanted to do something different, but if you noticed, there's 2 ornaments, and that's for a reason. So 2 personalities, 1 person. Do you get it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guessed the graphic liner right, the graphic liner zodiac sign right, then leave a comment down below. I appreciate all of you so much for watching. Don't worry if I haven't done your sign just yet. We are going to be getting to them in the last 2 videos, part of my 12 days of Christmas. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.